Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up job alerts on ZipRecruiter. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up job alerts on ZipRecruiter, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your ZipRecruiter app, and once inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you do is simply tap on search icon on the bottom here, or simply tap on search on the top and then search for the job that you want to apply for. Enter the job title and location, and then simply tap on next and then tap on search. And then once done, all you gotta do is after the results, so look for a bell icon or create a job alert button, then simply tap on it to create the alert. Then once done, simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, or simply tap on the My Jobs option, and here what you need to do is tap on the Apply Jobs to get the notification that you have been given by the company. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.